And the next thing was finding vinyl flooring for the living room and the bedrooms. And this one was pretty difficult because it's like, as you're looking at them, you don't really know how they're going to look in the apartment itself with the paint. And I was going with a classic gray paint. So, but I wanted to get like a dark color floor. I found one that I really like, so it's going to be interesting to see how it looks in the apartment. So I'm heading to the paint shop, had to pick up some more semi-gloss white paint for the trim. Also stopped by Home Depot to pick up some light fixtures. So this is the lights that I'm going with. I figure I'll probably do this in the kitchen, this in the hallway, this like in the entrance, and then this as a ceiling light in the bathroom. So we're gonna see how they look once we get back to the place. Alright guys, so we got a lot that's been going on. As you can see, the doors have been painted. Already got one coat of the classic gray paint so far. Bathroom is almost done. Got the tiles on the floor laid, as well as the tiles on the kitchen floor laid. Just waiting now to get the kitchen cabinets and the countertops. And also got to get some heater covers. The floors are probably going last. Can't wait, I'm excited, it's looking good so far. So now I'm trying to figure out what color should the grout be for the kitchen floor as well as the bathroom floor tiles. It's either going to be a white or a gray or silver color. So I did a poll on my Instagram stories just asking my followers, what color do they think I should go with. The majority of them voted for the gray, so we're going with the gray grout. And so my guys, they got started and started working on the floor, laying down the vinyl floors, and man, you could already start to see the difference. All right, so here's how it's looking so far. You could definitely see a difference. Went from this to this. Some of the molding have been placed on the corners, as you can see. Missing it over here, so we haven't got to it here yet, but we got it in the closet. It looks really nice. So that's the gap.
Yeah, I think I gotta stop there and make a little joint. Keep going with that.
So here's what we got done today. Got the grout laid in between the tiles. As well as in the bathroom. Grout laid on the floor, in between the tiles, as well as on the shower wall. Went with a bright white grout. It's looking good. And then in the bedroom, we got the closet doors installed. Still got a few more things to touch up with the doors, get them perfect. Now we finally gonna get to cover these ugly baseboard heaters. I found a company online that was selling these covers, and I think they look really nice, so I can't wait to try them on to see how they look. So now with the kitchen cabinets, I went to Home Depot and I was getting some quotes to see how much the cabinets would be, as well as the countertops. I was gonna go with these granite countertops and a shaker style cabinet, but I wasn't really feeling the price that I was getting at Home Depot. It was a little bit outside of my budget, but my contractor, he happened to know a guy that sold cabinets and countertops, and he got me a really good deal. I ended up saving at least like $600 on the kitchen. And the best part about it was, instead of getting granite countertops, I was able to get quartz countertops. So that was definitely a plus. Got some of the cabinets here, or at least one of them. So here's how the cabinets are looking. So now when the cabinets came in, they actually came in pieces. So my guys, they had to assemble it in the apartment, put it together, and then hang it up in the kitchen. So far the bathroom is about 90% complete, fully functional. The toilet works now. Faucet working. Rough draft with the kitchen. I got to give a shout out to my Instagram followers because I was actually going to do dark cabinets, and I did a poll and I was like, hey, what do you guys think? Should I go with white cabinets or dark cabinets? And the majority of them voted for the white cabinets, so I went ahead and took their advice, and I'm sure glad I did. So far this is how the place is looking. I got the new bulbs for the hallway, bulb to the bathroom. It's extra bright when I turn on the second light. So just got a few more things to get. I'd say like in about maybe a week or two we should be complete. Countertops are coming in today. I switched out the previous light that I had and placed this LED right here. Looks a lot more sleek, fits better with the kitchen, I think. So now the countertop's here. My guys, they start installing the countertop. And if you just see the way that this countertop looks with these cabinets, man. Trying to get an idea of what the backsplash will look like with these cabinets. So here's the first choice. Then we're gonna see how it looks with this. Here's the second choice. I don't know, this or this. Now we gotta find kitchen cabinet door handles. Let's see, what do we want to choose? I think I like something like this. Simple. All right, so I got some more goodies for the bathroom. Figure I get this toothbrush holder thing, probably put here. Also got this soap holder. I'm not sure where exactly I'm gonna put this because you got the plug outlet there. And then what else? We got the shower curtain holder to put up here. Then we got this. It is supposed to be for the towels. So I figure I'll probably put this behind the door here. Let me see how it would probably look. So yeah, I'll probably put this bar right here behind the door to hold up towels. And then what else we got? This for the toilet paper. So I'll probably put that somewhere here. I don't know, somewhere like this or whatever. Like this, but this way. You get the idea. And then we got this will go behind the door. Up here. Yeah, and then I also got a shelf, like a floating shelf, to go above the toilet over here. So I think it'll make it look really nice. So the last thing I had to do was the windows. These windows were terrible, so I got a company to come in and install some new windows in the apartment. So now we got the windows installed. I'm glad I got those replaced. So the apartment at this point is pretty much done. Just doing some last minute cleaning. And now for the moment you guys been waiting for, here's the completed renovation. Yeah, so there you have it, guys. My first property renovation was definitely a great experience. Learned a lot. Big thanks to the contractors, everyone that it was involved that helped. I greatly appreciate it. Also, my Instagram followers for their input on my Instagram stories, just letting me know what would look best in the apartment. Thank you, guys. And I definitely could see myself doing this for the rest of my life. I'm already looking for the next property. So if you made it this far, thank you guys for watching. Also, if you want to pick up this ROCKO'S Modern Life t-shirt, link in the description. One of my favorite shirts. Definitely going to be probably wearing this in Miami at some point. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.